Calibre's been involved with ACT Healthy Waterways for over 3 years. The services that Calibre have provided for ACT Healthy Waterways has been design and construction surveillance and supervision. So what makes ACT Healthy Waterways a unique project is that it is retrofitting existing catchments with modern stormwater improvement quality devices, such as wetlands and bioretention basins. The most significant project management challenge I faced was managing several contractors and consultants and public groups throughout the whole life cycle of the project. So what I did to make sure that we were successful in this project is, so I identified that this was a very important project for Calibre and for the ACT, and I made sure that I did everything I could. As a Canberra native, born and raised, I took great pride in ensuring that these were constructed and designed to be the best that they could be and to enhance the local community. I'm very proud to be working on ACT Healthy Waterways. As a Canberra local, it's fantastic to see these amenities being built in our local community, and I'm able to enjoy them with my family and future generations. So Calibre's work in ACT Healthy Waterways has helped influence and lead design standards for these type of assets moving forward in the ACT. So one of the cool things about ACT Healthy Waterways is I've been able to take my little daughter out to these wetlands and feed ducks and play in and around all the different ponds.